Let's talk about the Mars and Saturn conjunction in Capricorn. The exact conjunction of Mars and Saturn is occurring at the degree of 28 degrees of Capricorn, and we all know what happens when Saturn and Mars conjunct in the same sign. Both Saturn and Mars go into conjunct at the same degree, 28 degree in Capricorn. Both planets are strong here, as we all know that Saturn rules this house, so it is naturally strong. And Mars is exalted in Capricorn and debilitated in Cancer, so it is also strong in this Capricorn sign. Mars is a fiery planet, whereas Saturn is very cold planet. Mars is fire, Saturn is fuel. Mars is quick and Saturn is slow. So when you I'll give you an analogy. Like when you try to accelerate the car and at the same time if you brake it, what it is going to create. So that is what it is happening in Capricorn. And on top of it, both planets are arch enemies. Saturn has rings, which is a symbolic of restrictions. So it tried to restrict the martial energy, and Mars is like a warrior. It tried to fight against the restrictions and the boundaries created by the Saturn. Whenever Saturn and Mars conjunct in any sign, that is not a good conjunction, even the aspect between each other. However, when you take a look at the past events, whenever Saturn and Mars came together or conjunct in a single sign, we always seen a lot of conflicts, like people burning the cities, wars, stuff like that. Mostly the unhappy situations. You can look at your own charts. If you see any planets such as Mars or Saturn or Sun, even at the degree of 28 or close to the 28 degree, I would say from 22 to 22 degrees of Capricorn, if you have any planets such as Moon, Sun, Mars, Saturn, it's going to bring in a difficult or challenging time for sure. If it is happening on your natal moon, then it's going to deal with your mind, motherland, and the comforts of your life. If it is the sun, it's father, soul, your soul, and fatherly figures, government, and Mars is your brothers, and Saturn in general, it's your work. Just to point out, and one more aspect, this conjunction is happening in the nakshatra of Dhanishta. Dhanishta is again ruled by Mars, and so Mars is getting really strong in this conjunction. I see some troubles to the dolphins as an animal, and those who are into the musical industry, specifically those who play different kinds of musical instruments, for them it's going to be a bit challenging times. Nakshatra also represents all the 8 elements, so there can be a challenges comes from all the elements: air, water, land, sky. So you know what I mean. Just to add to this conjunction, right now we are in Kaal Sarpa Yoga. Means in the sky, all the planets are in between the two nodal points, Rahu and Ketu. So we all know when Kaal Sarpa Yoga happens in a chart, what are the effects of it? So same thing, it's going to happen for the whole world. You are seeing this and apply the same thing to your natal chart if you have the Kaal Sarpa Yoga. It's basically mean like all the planets are held together between the nodal points. So that's all I wanted to say about this conjunction. So be prepared for it and look for the planets in your Capricorn sign, in your natal birth chart, and natal planets in Capricorn sign, especially at the degrees of 22 degrees until 30 degrees of the Capricorn sign. That's all I wanted to say, and I have attached many links with this video. Check those links. Thank you.